Hey, today I'm going to talk to you about the final photo presentation for the PowerPoint module. I'm going to click on the directions here in Blackboard. I'm not actually going to do this for you, but we're just going to talk about it. What it is you're going to create a presentation of your choice using photos and or graphics that you get off the internet or that you have at home, whatever you want, whatever you choose. It needs to be at least 10 slides in length, no more than 20, so if you get really carried away, you can do that. Just don't go over 20 different slides. It can be over anything as long as it's not something that might be offensive to somebody. So if you think it's going to be offensive, choose something different. But do a favorite pastime, maybe a vacation, maybe like football or basketball, maybe like the Shockers. The final project for the class is a dream vacation. So maybe you want to do a PowerPoint presentation about your dream vacation and get a head start up on the very final project for the class. You can do it on animals. I've had people do it on zoo animals, forest animals. I've had them do it on flowers. I've had them do it on chickens. I've had them do it on cows, believe it or not. And a lot of people do it on family. So it's just your choice, whatever the presentation is. You're going to create a presentation with different layouts. Make sure that you have a theme other than the office theme. You can use a template if you want to off of PowerPoint. You need to have a title slide. Every slide in your presentation needs to have at least one picture on it, no more than 3 pictures per slide, please. And some type of a caption, what it is, why did you choose that picture? Some type of a text needs to be on the slide as well. Make sure that your font's legible. You might have to increase it in size, make sure the color is something that you can read, and make sure you don't have any misspelled words. I have had some real funny misspelled words, so please reread your PowerPoint before you submit it. The layouts on your slides should be different. They shouldn't all be the same, so make sure you vary up the layout on the different slides. And your photos, you just need to format them in some way. Now, one of your photos need to be formatted according to this information right here. So make beveled oval black picture style, add text to the slide, and then it tells you what animation to put on that particular photo. Then you have another photo that's going to be the rotated right picture style, and you're going to add animation and stuff like that. It tells you exactly what animation to add to that picture. And then another picture is going to be formatted with a black border. One is going to have the metal frame picture style, and one needs to have the title and content layout. Okay, so 5 of your slides, I tell you exactly how they need to be set up right here. So just follow those for 5 of the slides. The rest of the slides, you can format them however you want to. Just make sure each one's a little bit different so the presentation doesn't get boring. Use your imagination. Make sure you have a closing slide. Sum up your presentation in some way on that closing slide. If you have some slides that you need to have citations for, you didn't take them yourself or it wasn't a family get together, just put that on the very after your closing slide. Just put all of your citations where you got those pictures on that particular slide. Make sure you have transition added to all of the slides, not just one. Make sure you add transitions to the entire presentation, and make sure you have animations in some way on the slides. Make sure your animations are set to start after previous or with previous. Do not set your animations to start on click. You will get counted off if it is on click. And then again, go back and check your spelling and grammar. Make sure that's all correct. So this is worth 150 points. Try to have some fun with it. Pick a topic that you know something about. I don't want you to have to do a lot of research for this, other than looking up your pictures and then formatting them. None of the skills that are required in this final photo presentation are new. They are something that we've done at some point or other during the class. So anyway, have fun, and when you're finished, hand it in for grading.